Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this LED solar light from Livarno home. Solar powered outdoor light with 6 bright LEDs, integrated motion detector with twilight sensor 6500K, motion detector 5 to 8 meters, detection angle 90 degrees, illumination time after activation 30 seconds, nickel metal hydride battery with a 150 lumen brightness, 3 years warranty. And let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included we have the manual. If you want to read, it's your choice, but stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product. Screws for mounting at the wall, the base for the solar panel, the cable length, it is 2 meters for the solar panel. You can connect the solar panel at the LED light, silicone rubber around, it will stay very tight. Nice. Adjustable bracket for the LEDs, so you can have it at the desired position. 2 screw holes. Use 2 of these 4 screws. At the back we have the on-off switch. There is the light. The battery inside this unit, it is 900 mAh, 3 1.2 volt batteries. Power max, it is 6 LEDs, 0.08 watts. 6 LEDs. We can see, and the motion sensor. Plastic, all the unit it is plastic. Correction, the cable it is 2.5 meters, not 2 meters. The motion sensor is activated automatically at a light intensity 100 lux. The spotlight switches on automatically as soon as the motion sensor detects a movement. The spotlight switches off automatically after 30 seconds if no more movement is detected. If motion is detected after switching off, the spotlight switches on again for 30 seconds. To deactivate the spotlight, just switch off or on. And the solar panel, 360 degrees rotation with this plastic mount. I like it, I can say for 7 euros I think the price is very good. Now let's move on outdoors. I will leave it under the sun for a few hours and then I will test it, see the brightness. When motion detected, instantly it will turn on the spotlights. I like the brightness level, is very pleasant and bright enough. The battery it can last over the night and more, it depends how often the motion is triggering the light. And after 30 seconds it will turn off. Motion again and on the light. It will keep staying on until there will be no motion. Definitely it is a good solution for any place where is no electricity. Or if you don't want to install cables, just this solar light and you will be okay. You can have the solar panel at the spotlight or max 2.5 meters away. Thank you for watching. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.